Okay, here I have my print out. I'm going to place it on the cutting mat, and my paper is 8.5 by 11, 8.5 and 11 right here. So I'm going to attach it to my cutting mat, and let me tell you, you need to align it on your cutting mat just like it's in the computer, so that when the machine read the registration marks, it will know exactly where to start cutting. Because mind you that the cutting machine can only read the registration marks. It can't read this, but after it read the registration mark, it will know where to move and where to start cutting. Okay, so I'm going to align my paper, my cardstock, on my cutting mat. Okay, you see this corner should be exactly, try to align it exactly, do your best. Okay, I know that my cut mat is not so sticky anymore, so I'm going to use some tape to hold it, to tape it. So I taped it. I think I'm good with the taping. Let me put one down. Oh yeah, there's one down here. I'm gonna turn my machine on. Okay, now I'm going to load up my mat. Make sure that your cutting mat is on top of this line right here and under this roller. Okay, also on the other side, underneath it, I'm going to load it in, and then I'm going to send the cut job to it. And I'm going to send, actually I need to yeah, I need to select it. Okay, I will select this one, and I'll go to send. Okay, and you see, like I selected cut over edge, cut edge, and for this cardstock I'm using cardstock number 110 pounds, 110 pounds. Yeah, and this is my cut settings: 5, force 25, speed 5, and passage 2. And I'm going to send the cut job to the machine. And here it is. We cut it out already. Okay, I decided to make a backing for it, like for the back. I'm just gonna copy this and go to another page and paste it. This one right here, I'm not going to use a registration mark. Look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ungroup everything, and then I'm going to make everything black, and then I'm going to weld it to be one piece, and I'm going to flip it horizontally. Actually, even if I don't flip it, it will be the same because I'm going to use white cardstock for it. Okay, and this I'm just going to cut with the same setting. I'm just gonna cut it with this one with the same setting, and I'll cut it out. So let's go there. Okay, here is it. The back. You can make it like this, you can make it however you want. If you want to use only this part, you can do it like that. If you want to use both parts, it's also good. I put this part because it makes it sturdier. Okay, for the stick, I'm going to use my glue gun. I'm going to put glue about half of the stick. Okay, like so. And then I'm gonna place it over here. Yep, like half here. And then I'm going to use like Elmer glue. I'm gonna put a little bit on this. I'm going to put some glue over here. Okay, and then I'm going to align my backing over here and here, and then streak my hand over it. And leave it so that it can dry. Oh, I like it. It came out really nice. Make sure you put glue on the stick too. It came out really nice. I love it. Wow. It's sturdy because of the backing. Put enough glue. Okay. Put enough glue for it. I don't want it to pop out. Okay, that's nice. Tape it real nice, and then leave it dry. It will come out really well. I made these ones like that too. You can find this video on my YouTube, here on the channel, how you can make like the the fan on both sides. You see the text is still good. How you can make these and these two. You can find the file links in the description. I made two of these, and these, you see that this is very sturdy, very sturdy. It doesn't fall apart. Very sturdy. You put glue gun, hot glue for the stick, and then you put Elmer glue for the paper. They come out really sturdy. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and to like the video and to comment down in the description if you're going to use this method. All of these are on here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.